Yeah, blessed. This is AKA Dan Pattan. I have a new song for the people them go and enjoy music, entertainment we deal with. Straight up. Alright. Big up the Kishman, the whole staff, the whole works, cameraman, everybody, MC, everybody over there. Big up on yourself, you don't know. Well, this song is all about some boy I talk about them a chop. I don't know what them a chop. I want them a chop. A grass them a chop, eh? What's your style, yeah? A chop a... Pull him up again, pull him up again, pull him up, 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 pull him up. Alright then. A chopper, yeah. A chopper, way. A chopper. You have some boy come over to talk about them a chop. I don't know them a chop, eh? How much grass them a chop? What them know about chopping, eh? What's your style, yeah? Chop. Alright then, chop. A chopper lawyer, chopper beat, a chopper clown them. They come around and go on like so we don't know them. Lick a favor, you need to cause beer problem. Dip in them pocket, them a go and let them no want spend. Boy come around and I say that him a chop. When they look on him phone it, now have a cash up who a kind of chop. How much the grass him a chop? New up for your phone where you call it cash up. Some of them a chopper lawyer, enough of them a cartoon. Enough of them out, them me know a baboon, yeah. We chop the money and we transfer that. We shall send it to we cash up. Touch the road and look food figure chop. Anyway we bingo what this so we stop. Who a small brunch and we sit down and chat. Mission accomplished with us chop. Markex make them vex. Never wonder what next if a the pretty pearl Benz and the BMW X. Chop a new range, new clients every day. When we a chop things must rearrange. Some of them a chop a lawyer, enough of them a cartoon. Enough of them out, them me know a baboon, yeah. We chop the money and we transfer down. We shall send it to we cash up. Then come around every day with fake story. Check out the net, them all we a fake jewelry. Money pull up, them other shout fake money. Selected them a send nobody keep up no. Me bang a phone it about them. When them see the brown in them get mad again. And them two of them a creep, them a watch and a peep. At the pattern of me swag it and murder them. Dirt. Boy come around and I said that him a straight up.
Alright, may I tell you. Hey, this artist is Buzzy. What is your name again, my boss?
AKA Dan Pattan.
Dan Pattan. Represent? Where represent?
Portsmouth.
Portsmouth. So you know a Portmore youth. Everything alright, but we chop the grass still. Yeah, I'm still a win. Yeah, so you understand? Alright, so yeah, counselor. I feel like boy, you make the counselor laugh, you know. Counselor Edwards. What do you think about
Million,
the content?
Dan Pattan, you're entertaining. You're an entertainer. Love that. Your energy high. You're all over the place. You hear them say some chick. I saw the thing say all over. I love that vibes there. You understand me? The lyrics, Mr. say you have a love for the music. So it doesn't matter how you live or what. You do it for fun, which is good, you know. So and I wish you the best at the music career that you pursue onward. You know, so for me, I will allow you to just move forward. Yeah, man, you have that.
All right, thank you for that. Courtney Edwards, Councillor Courtney Edwards. All right, so Lady Tash, what you think about the chopper boss? Chopper line. Turn on the mic, the phone. Yeah.
But me hear you say chopperlistic. Chopperlistic. Here we go now. You get neurotastic. Keisha last year was to fly. You go Las Vegas. You are rolling. And hear what me I say. You are going to get the cash from Tash. And you have the $1 million voice with a $1 million performance. Go on the road.
All right. Yo, Arolyn.
Yeah.
Yeah, you what she said a while ago, you're Arolyn. Big up yourself. Oh, you mean a poor boy youth. Remember, hey, Nero wants to say something to you know.
We never expect that a while ago still. So, your name are going to change, you know, to Mr. Chopper Latino. And the man chop so much to link cut all himself. You know what I mean? But, yo, Aro, trust me. I don't know what to say, Bridget. Just next round. You did it, bro. You did it.
All right.